Do you know the difference between a woman who simply loves you and a woman who is truly sent to you by Allah? Listen carefully. A woman who loves you may admire your smile, your charm, your success, but a woman sent by Allah, she's different. She loves you even when you have nothing. She prays for you when you don't even ask. She sees your flaws, yet she covers them like a garment. She doesn't chase the world you can give her. What impresses her most is when you lead her closer to Jannah. Her loyalty is not shaken by distance, by poverty, or by hardship. Instead, it grows stronger with every test you face together. And here's the truth. When Allah writes a woman into your life, it's not just love. It's mercy. It's tranquility. It's barakah that no amount of wealth can ever buy.